This movie is just to show misfunction or not compatibility of Foxwell NT 650 Elite with the BMW car. So this is a BMW E61 530, so this is 3.0 diesel. So it is connected, as you can see over there. So here I'm going to OBD. I'm choosing like auto scan. It will go through all kind of protocols and sadly will come back with error saying that there is no connection. So it doesn't really work. The minus is that it's taking ages. So what I will do on this movie, I will show how this doesn't connect, and then I will show how the other tool which I have, which is a BMW diagnostic tool, is connecting. And then I will go to the next car, because with the next car it does connect, but it doesn't allow me to do the DPF regeneration. It's just stopping, saying that they are error messages which need to be clean, and over there I will show you that there are no error messages. So the tool just doesn't really work with BMW cars. What I've done with it, I did update. So I connected this tool to the PC. I downloaded the latest software from Foxwell, and I did upgrade for OBD2 and also BMW protocols. So they were more, but sadly this device is coming only with 8 GB memory card, which is not big enough to make all updates. So I guess you have to choose which car you're gonna work on, and then you're doing those updates. So I did updates only for BMW and the OBD2, or whatever is the OBD, that's the name. Sorry. So yeah, it's taking a lot of time. Probably quicker will be go to DPF and try to reburn it, because the error message was, just straight away. Here he's trying to do this like number of times. He's still thinking. So as you can see, they're going over and over again. So it's not like they are new. Those protocols, I've seen them on the screen, like I think this is the third time when I see them. So it's just trying them, then going again and again, trying to get connection. But somehow, for some reason, it doesn't work. So the difference between those two cars, the one that can connect to this device but still doesn't work well, but at least can connect, it's 2 years older. Both of them are LCI BMWs. This one is younger, it's 2009. The other one is 2007. So as you can see, it's taking 3 minutes. This is how long is the movie right now, to connect, and it doesn't connect. So for anyone who will accidentally open this movie, I'm making this movie for eBay Foxwell shop, so they can actually hopefully help me out and tell me what I need to do to fix it. So as you can see, there is no communication message. So I will go back. I mean, there is no point to try anything else, but just to be clear, I'm going to maintenance, then I'm going to DPF. I'm choosing BMW car. The ignition is on, yes. Then regeneration, yes. Then 5 series. This is a E61. And again, no communication. And now I will show you the other tool that it's connecting to the car. So now this is INPA tool, which I'm using right now. So just to make this clear, I turn off the engine, remove the key, disconnected the old tool, then connected the new tool, and start the engine again, just to make sure that, I know what I'm doing. So anyway, I click on error, read, So I got one error message. I will have to have a look what is it, but you can see that this tool is connecting to the car. So the fault is not with connector, it's not the car. I will also open this is another tool, just to make sure that it's connecting as well. But it's what I'm saying, that other tools are connecting with the car, so the fault is not on the side of the tool. So I'm choosing diagnostic. Sorry for the focus, is losing it. Then 5 series, come on, E61. Then going further, it's usually happening, it's just I have to repeat this first time. And then yes, do the automatic scanning of the car. So as you can see, DIS also connects to the car, so the fault is not with this car. Okay, I'm not gonna go through this because it's gonna take too much time. Now I will show you the other car where device is connecting to the car, but it's saying that they are fault codes where car doesn't have any. So let's go to the second car. I did check what the message means on the other car, and that was related to DPF, that is full. And basically this is the reason why I got this tool. So anyway, we are now in the second car. This is a BMW E60 520 diesel. So here, when we are choosing auto scan on OBD, it is connecting, so it's fine. So it's okay. Now read codes, then store codes, no codes, pending codes, no pending codes, permanent codes, selected mode is not supported. So basically it doesn't really tell much, but it's saying here that there are no codes stored in the module. So when I'm coming out and I'm going to maintenance and I want to regenerate DPF, again I'm going to BMW, then ignition is on, yes, then a generation 5 series E60, and then it's saying perform regeneration. It can read when the last time I did regeneration, but when I'm going here, request regeneration, it is giving me message that they are fault codes, which doesn't allow me to perform the procedure. But the thing is that there are no fault codes on this car. The other one have the fault code, which is DPF. So now I will show you again the INPA when I will do diagnostic of this car to show you the fault codes. So as before, what I did, I turn off the engine, I remove the key, disconnect the tool, connect the new tool, turn on the engine, and put the key, turn on the engine. So anyway, we're going to E60, functional jobs, error, and then read error. Okay. Clear the errors. Why do I have the errors? So it looks like the device didn't read the fault codes correctly. It looks like INPA did manage to find the fault codes, and this will explain why I was unable to do the DPF regeneration. Now, after cleaning those fault codes, I did manage to get DPF regeneration, but this is not static, it's dynamic. It's exactly the same as these do, which means they have to drive the car with the speed of like recommended 60 kilometers per hour, which is something like 50 miles per hour, and this can regenerate the DPF. So it's not static, it's dynamic, but also doesn't work for the first car. And also it means that the device cannot properly read the fault codes, because INPA can read the fault codes. The device is saying that they are no fault codes, where actually they are fault codes. Yeah. So if you can recommend something like maybe update, or maybe you can do something on your end and then we can do the update, because at this stage the device doesn't offer static regeneration of the DPF, doesn't work with second car, doesn't read the fault codes from the car which is capable of connecting to, so basically it's malfunctioning. It doesn't really work as it should.